Hello children, once again I Preeti Shrivastava welcome you all to the online class of Divine Public School. Today I will teach you English. Today we will learn about alphabet. Children, do you know how many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Children, do you want to know how many vowels are there in English alphabet? There are 5 vowels in English alphabet. A, E, I, O and U. Children, do you know how many consonants are there in English alphabet? There are 21 consonants in English alphabet. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. There are 21 consonants in English alphabet. This is your English book Work on Language. Today we will learn A to Z on page number 4. All of you open page number 4. This is page number 4. Children, here is written revision time. REVISION. Revision. TIME. Time. Children, on this page capital and small both letters are written. This is capital letter and this is small letter. Capital A, small a. A, B, capital B, small b. C, capital C and small c. D, capital D, small d. Okay, now we will read this page. A for apple. A P P L E apple. B, this is capital B and this is small b. B for ball. B A L L ball. C, capital C and this is small c. C for cake. C A K E cake. D, capital D and this is small d. D for dog. D O G dog. E for egg. This is capital E and this is small e. E G G egg. F, capital F and this is small f. F for frog. F R O G frog. G, capital G and this is small g. G for grapes. G R A P E S grapes. H, this is capital H and this is small h. H for hut. H U T hut. I, capital I and this is small I. I for igloo. I G L O O, igloo. J, capital J, and this is small j. J for jeep. J E E P, jeep. K, capital K, and this is small k. K for kite. K I T E, kite. L, this is capital L, and this is small l. L for leader. L E A D E R, leader. M, capital M, and this is small m. M for mango. M A N G O, mango. N, N for nest. This is capital N, and this is small n. N E S T, nest. N for nest. O, O for orange. This is capital O, and this is small o. O for orange. O R A N G E, orange. P, this is capital P, and this is small p. P for parrot. P A R R O T, parrot. Q, capital Q, and small q. Q for quill. Q U I L L, quill. R, capital R, and this is small r. R for rabbit. R A B B I T, rabbit. S, capital S, and this is small s. S for sun. S U N, sun. T, T for tiger. This is capital T, and this is small t. T I G E R, tiger. T for tiger. U, this is capital U, and this is small u. U for umbrella. U M B R E L L A, umbrella. V, this is capital V, and this is small v. V for van. V A N, van. W, W for watch. This is capital W, and this is small w. W A T C H, watch. X, capital X, and small x. X for X-ray. X R A Y, X-ray. Y for yak. This is capital Y, and this is small y. Y A K, yak. Z, this is capital Z, and this is small z. Z for zebra. Z E B R A, zebra. Okay, like this you will read page number 4 and learn all the spellings. Once again, all of you read with me. A for apple, B for ball, C for cake, D for dog, E for egg, F for frog, G for grapes, H for hut, I for igloo, J for jeep, K for kite, L for leader, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for quill, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Okay children, all of you learn A to Z. Now all of you open page number 5. This is page number 5. Okay, here is written pencil flow, and here is written TICK, tick, TH the, CORRECT, correct, beginning, beginning. letter letter. for each. picture. Tick the correct beginning letter for each picture. Children, some pictures are here. You have to recognize the picture and tick on the beginning letter of the picture. Which picture is this? This is picture of a dog. D for dog. Find out where is D. A, this is C, and this is D. Some boxes are here. You have to tick on D. Which picture is this? This is picture of an igloo. I for igloo. Find out where is I. I is here. So you will tick in this box like this. Now which picture is this? This is picture of nest. N for nest. Find out where is N. This is S. This is N. This is L. You will tick in this box like this. Okay? Like this you will complete rest all the pictures. Here is written CIRCLE circle, THE the, ODD odd, LETTER letter, IN EACH each, SET set. Circle the odd letter in each set. Some letters are written here, okay? And they all are similar, but one letter is different. You have to find out the different one and circle on that letter. This is V. This is also V. But what is this? This is U. So this is odd letter. You have to make circle on this. What is this, children? This is M. Find out which letter is differ from this letter. This is M. But what is this? W. So you have to make circle on this. Like this you will complete these letters. Okay? Like this you will complete page number 5. Now we will meet again in next video. Till then, bye bye.